through the winter's ice and cold, down Nicollet Avenue. A city of flame fought fire and ice neath an occupier's boots. King Trump's private army from the DHS, guns belted to their coats, came to Minneapolis to enforce the law, or so their story goes. Against smoke and rubber bullets in the dawn's early light, citizens stood for justice, their voices ringing through the night. And there were bloody footprints where mercy should have stood, and two dead left to die on Snowfield Street, Alex Pretty and Renee Good. Oh, Minneapolis, I hear your voice singing through the bloody mist. We'll take our stand for this land and the stranger in our midst. Here in our home they killed and roamed in the winter of 26. We'll remember the names of those who died on the streets of Minneapolis. Trump's federal thugs beat up on his face and his chest.
Berriro etorri gara, ta euria traba, edo behar bada ez, tabarreal gara, ta talde majoa hemen gaude. Eguraldiaz ez ikara, euri guztien gainetik bide gorria jada. Lalai, lalalai, lalalai, bide gorria jada.